Welcome everyone to Mama Soul Kitchen, and today we have Grandma's Soul Buttermilk Pound Cake. It's in our Just Desserts Child cookbook through Mama Soul Kitchen, and it's available on Amazon. I have used this recipe for a very long time. I decided to go ahead and share it. You guys can also look at YouTube. I featured it on YouTube as well. There's going to be some other cakes that's coming also for the holidays, and I'm really excited to say happy holidays. Everyone be safe. Happy Thanksgiving Eve and all that good old stuff. So anyway, I went on and made this cake earlier and let it cool off completely so I can go ahead and transport it to my little turntable here. And I'm going to go ahead and do this live so I can show you guys how it's done. Now, watch this. This is how we do it. The timer's about to go off. I have banana nut bread baking right now too. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. What you think? What do you guys think? Grandma's buttermilk pound cake. Grandma's soul buttermilk pound cake. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. This is going to be featured tomorrow for our desserts, one of our desserts that I'm making. And my girl's coming home and all that good old stuff. My son is coming home, so here we go. So again, go ahead and order your Just Desserts Child Mama Soul Kitchen cookbook on Amazon. It's under Mama Soul Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for your orders already, who have already got their books already. I hope you guys are enjoying your recipes and cooking and all that good old stuff. I'm going to have another volume part 2 coming out soon. And I'm really excited about that. So sorry about that timer, you guys. This is live and all that good old stuff. Anyway, so the ones who have ordered the original cookbooks, the Mama Soul cookbooks, they were printed in black and white for a reason. They are nostalgic because my grandmother has been gone from this world for about 30 years now. And I decided to go ahead and release her book. Now, I wanted to keep it old-fashioned and retro looking and all that good old stuff. So all of the prints are now gone. All of the prints are now gone. Thank you guys all for your orders. Now, I went on and did another reset, and we have it in color. The same book, it's in color. So for those who haven't ordered already, you didn't get the black and white books, but it's okay because the ones who got the black and white books, there's some good news coming soon, and I can't share that with you right now, but it's in progress. And I want you guys to prove to me that you have that black and white Mama Soul Kitchen cookbook, okay? Now, again, the new books are now printed. They're on Amazon. They're in color. The Just Desserts Child book has always been in color. Just the first print of the Mama Soul Kitchen Soul Food was in black and white. Now, make sure you guys order the color cookbook. It is available now. Make sure you guys go to Amazon.com, look up Mama, M-O-M-M-A, Soul Kitchen, and that's the cookbook right there, you guys. So, thank you guys again for all of your orders. You guys are wonderful. And bon appetit. See you later, child.